For generations, America has believed that turning 21 makes you an adult. But if we're honest, most 21-year-olds are still learning who they are. They may be old enough to drink, vote, and drive, but that doesn't mean they're grown. We call 21-year-olds adults, but I say they're really teen adults. So here's the Dr. Mahdi Monroe Maturity Chart. Stage 1 is absorption. From birth to age 4, you're still a baby, a pure sponge for the world around you. You absorb sounds, language, love, and emotion that build your foundation. Stage 2 is exploration. From 5 to 12, you're still a kid, curious and full of imagination. You learn through play, adventure, and mistakes. Stage 3 is the teenage stage. From 13 to 19, emotions rise and identity takes shape. You're testing independence, but still heavily influenced by your peers. Stage 4 is the teen adult stage. From 20 to 25, you're legally grown but still merging youth with maturity. This is the bridge between dependence and discipline. Stage 5 is actualization. Around 26, true adulthood begins. You apply wisdom, control emotion, and design your life with purpose. So maybe 21 isn't the real age of adulthood. Maybe 26 is the true beginning of maturity. It's time to revise how America defines growth. This isn't just a chart. It's a movement, the reconstruction of the American age of awareness.